Good morning, 25th of July. We're leaving Bangkok and heading to Mukdahan to visit family. So yeah, come and join us on our travels.
I got an ache inside of me. It's a deep hole where I bleed. Oh, can I seal it? You're like an ocean without land, not a single grain of sand. I'm drifting on it. So cold yet warm when you hold me, when you close. I know I'm a lost case, I'm a mess. But everything feels a little bit lighter with you. Something's letting me heal. You're making it brighter right through the gray.
Enjoying it?
Yeah, Mohr.
Then what about you?
Yeah.
Is it good?
Yeah, pretty good.
Old Market Street food from Mukdahan.
It's the last thing that I need. Wanna feel something that's real. With you I get that. You're like a lighthouse in a dream, really distant but your beam is guiding me home. So cold yet warm when you hold me, when you close. I know I'm a lost case, I'm a mess. But everything feels a little bit lighter with you. Something's letting me heal. You're making it brighter right.
So we've got some fried rice there, we've got a bit of a curry there with snails, fish cakes, and I've got a prawn salad or shrimp salad. And there's more to come. Nan, is there more to come? There is definitely more to come. So we've got some steamed fish, is it? And there's still more to come. And what have we got here?
ยำหอยนางรม
หอยนางรมทรงเครื่อง
Which is
oysters with sauce
oysters Thai style.
yeah Thai style
What do you think?
looks good แม่ปล่อยอันนี้นะเอาเสร็จ
Okay, we're on the Mekong River in Thailand in Mukdahan, and on the opposite side is Laos. Now the river's quite big. I reckon it must be nearly 600 meters if not more to get from one side to the other. Absolute gorgeous place, and this restaurant has been great. Food was excellent. Okay, our accommodation. We're just staying at a hotel not far from the morning market in Mukdahan, and we're staying here for 5 nights, and we got 2 double bedrooms, and it's costing us $136 $8 for our stay, which is unbelievable. It's the cheapest we've had in Thailand. So yeah, pretty cool. So yeah, it's a budget hotel. Can't expect too much from that. Decor a little bit outdated. I'm not going to show you the rooms really. It's got everything that you really need. King size bed, TV, fridge, hot shower, proper toilet, and most importantly, air conditioning. So yeah, we're pretty happy with that.
My ace boom boom, no flex, no. I won't gas you up like petrol. Just trying to take you way up where the jets go. But you didn't notice that. Keep clocking all my hours, I told you that. Work now, play later. But you keep going off on me. Keep texting like it's all on me. Yeah, you're all in my head like you're my forever, not for right now. My day one, you hold me down. Hard cold like the wintertime. Fight for your love, can't slow me down. Don't go far. I take me and you over living large. Know I'll be there wherever you are. Cause you shine bright like, you shine bright like a shooting star.
Everything feels a little bit lighter with you. Something's letting me heal. You're making it brighter right through the gray.
It's just like your luck lies on the opposite side of the river. Why? If you could endure through hardships of building a bridge, happiness at the other end will be yours. Be patient. When the time comes, you'll be awarded with good fortunes. The older you get, the happier you'll be. A widow seems to be the right couple for you because he or she will make your marriage life pleasant, carefree, wealthy, and healthy.
I've always admired those who just do it and they conquered their fears. They fall back down and they keep getting up and they try to steer clear. I'm afraid, I'll admit. What if I'm stuck in my mind? I'm not great, neither rich, but will you stay here by my side? All the good times turn into memories.
Absolute amazing collection of crystals. Absolutely beautiful. Well, viewers, our stay in Mukdahan and Thailand has come to an end. Tomorrow we head home, and we're going to allow 3 days to do so, and staying an extra day in Phuket, and yeah, eventually making our way back home to Melbourne. We'll be having an extra passenger with us, and that is Chintana's mum. She has got a visa for 3 months to visit Australia, and yeah, so yeah, come and join us on our travels home.
Em muốn 8 hà, em không sao cả.